everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today, for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be guiding you through the process of how you can log in into the online banking account of Comerica Bank. Now to begin with, first of all, open the browser on your PC. Then, once you open it, you create a new tab and on the search bar, type in comerica.com and press enter. Once you're at the home page of the bank, you need to click on the login option on the right side of your screen. Tap on it. Now here you need to provide the user ID and the password of your banking credential. Once you type in the username and the password, you click on login and you will get logged in into your banking account. Just in case if you forgot the password for your banking account, you can click on the link provided over here, forgot password. You open that on a new tab, or you can just click on the link below. You will be directed to the page where you will need to follow the instruction to recover your password for the account. Once you've provided the user ID and the email address, you click on next. Then you will be receiving a recovery mail link on your mail address. You click open that mail and follow the step process provided in the link. Once you've done that, you will be able to recover your password. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how easily you can log in into the Comerica online banking account of yours. If this video was useful, please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.